You have this video saved on your PC and you would love to take only the audio from the video to create your own personal video, but you do not know how to do it. In this video, I am going to show you how to extract audio from any video you have so that you can use the audio for any other thing, maybe to create a video for yourself. For this, we would be using a third-party app which is popularly known as VLC Media Player. If you do not have it pre-installed, kindly go and download it for free. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to create a video about how to download it for free. With VLC Media Player installed, let's move on to extract the audio from the video we want. This is the video I want to extract the audio. I downloaded it from TikTok.
She's a sad girl with the prettiest pictures.
With VLC Media Player and your desired video ready, let's get to business. Locate and open VLC Media. Once the application is open, click on Media at the ribbons at the top. Under Media, locate and click on Convert and Save. On the pop-up menu, click on Add at the File Selection tab. This will open your File Explorer. Then look for the video you want to extract audio from and click Open. You would want to click on Convert and Save. Now under Settings, in the new pop-up menu where we have Profile, click on the drop-down button and choose Audio MP3. Then under Destination, click Browse and choose where you want the converted file to be saved. For this tutorial, I will save it on my desktop. So I will choose Desktop and click on Save. Now your file is ready to be converted. So you just have to click on Start to have your file converted. When it has completed, you can see that when I minimize the VLC Media Player, the converted file will show on my desktop and I can now play it as an MP3 file.
She's a sad girl with the prettiest pictures. Also that she's carrying with her. Sad world with the past so bitter, but somehow ended up a giver. She's pretty in pink and she's pretty in black. I can't even think what she looks like that. A sad girl with pretty pictures. I'd do anything to be with her.
That's it for this video. Some people will receive a pop-up menu after their file has been converted saying the output file already exists, like what you can see on your screens now. In my next video, I will show you how to resolve that issue. Subscribe if you haven't done so to get notified when I release a new video about tech tutorials. See you next time. It's bye for now. Peace out.